Okay, this is my unboxing of Zippo hand warmer. Yeah, here we go. So here we have it. Nice baby. See, look. Follow.
Hunting, skiing, fishing,
And camping.
and camping.
Yeah, and here's the how to fill it.
The instructions.
Yeah. And here's the Zippo. Let's open it. Hard. Okay. Here's the filler. Don't know if you guys can see.
It says an hour and a half and 1 hour?
No. 6 hour and 12 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll show it to you guys how to do it. So I'm gonna leave this stuff aside. And
The pouch for when the warmer gets too hot.
you can like stick it in. I wanted to come with this. And
The product itself.
yeah. Okay, bye guys. Okay. Dun 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 dun.